Hi guys, good morning. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about one of the speakers who I saw this weekend at Dr. Nazarian's Think Big conference, which was absolutely phenomenal, and you all have to go next year, especially if you're a female and entrepreneur. There's such a great sense of community, and the lectures were amazing. But one of the speakers was Dr. Sasha Shillcutt, and I've been fortunate enough to hear her speak twice now. I attended her conference called Brave Enough, which is held in September in Scottsdale, Arizona. And she's one of the most inspirational, motivational speakers. And what she says always resonates with me. We are both anesthesiologists. She's a cardiac anesthesiologist. She's a professor, which, if you understand medical hierarchy, is a really big deal. So that's super badass for her. And she really teaches you that, you know what, it's okay to be fashionable and a mother and fierce and still be an intelligent physician. You can be more than just a physician, and you can be unapologetic about it. So I'm super excited. I just won a copy of her new book, Between Grit and Grace, and I can't wait to start reading it and sharing my thoughts on it with you. So you should head out to Brave Enough next year in September in Scottsdale, Arizona at the McCormick Ranch, which is super nice and fun, and mention my name, and I think you get involved and invited into one of the VIP parties, which is really cool too. All right, have a great day, everybody.